Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AppsTechAcademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. In order to close your Facebook account, first of all, open up the Facebook application and then log into your account using your credentials if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to close your Facebook account, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now, from your menu page, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From this page, tap on Privacy Shortcuts and then scroll down until you find your Facebook information. From here, tap on Delete your account and information and you will be taken into the account deactivation as well as deletion section. From here, you can tap on Deactivate Account if you want to close your Facebook account temporarily, and you will be able to continue using Facebook Messenger. However, if you want to permanently delete your account, select the second option which says Delete Account and then tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password and verify your identity. And after you verify your identity and continue forward, your account will be closed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to close your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.